asexual reproduction in plants. As said earlier, like animals, the asexual reproduction methods that moves in plants are also of the same types. So let us begin first with the process of fission. Like animals, in fission, the cytoplasm gets divided into two to form two daughter cells. This type of process generally takes place in algae, fungi, bacteria, protists. In this process, the unicellular mother cell undergoes mitotic division to form two daughter cells. Thus, the parent in this forms two daughter cells, and this type of mitotic division then continues further to form further daughter cells. This figure represents the fission process in bacteria. As it can be seen from this figure, the nucleus present within the cell gets divided with the help of mitotic division, which further gets separated into two, resulting into the formation of two daughter cells. This process further moves on with the same method. Then the second method of asexual reproduction in plants is budding. The process of young ones from the parent ones in all these processes is similar to that of the asexual method in animals. So in budding, similarly the process of bud formation takes place. In algae like fucus, or dictyota, in these adventitious branches are produced which act in the form of buds, that is, as self-buds. Moreover, in other animals or creatures like fungus, like yeast, also forms buds, resulting into the formation of younger ones. That is, forms offspring from the parents. This figure represents the budding or the process of budding in yeast. As it can be seen from the figure, these structures, that is called buds, are formed due to unequal division of cells, which further acts as the younger cells or offspring and gradually with time gets separated or detached from the parent cell. Thus, in yeast, unequal division of cells occurs, due to which buds develop that gradually with time matures and gets separated. Then comes the third method of asexual reproduction in plants, that is fragmentation. This figure represents the fragmentation process in organisms. As it can be seen from the figure, this portion is the vegetative thallus or portion called hyphae, which gradually with time breaks into smaller segments of which further multiplication occurs. This breakdown into small segments takes place due to mechanical pressure or rigidity of the thalamus or hyphae portion. Each segment that is released develops into new mycelium. Thus, in this process, vegetative thallus or hyphae get broken down or divide into various segments due to mechanical support or rigidity of the cell. And thus, new mycelium or mycelia gets produced from the broken segments, which develop into new ones. Example for the organisms that exhibit such a type of reproduction is various algae like eulothrix, Spirogyra, and Zygnema. These are the examples of algae. Apart from algae, few fungi also exhibit this type of reproduction methods, like mucor, rhizopus.